some Chevy Bolt buyers getting rebates up to $6,000. U.S. owners who bought in 2022 before the price cut get money back. GM is still replacing batteries in the 140,000 Chevrolet Bolts it recalled. Now recovering from a 6-month stop sale, the automaker has returned its electric hatchback to the marketplace. Automaker reps have expectations of a banner year for the Bolt and Bolt EUV, assisted in part by the carmaker taking $6,000 off the price of a 2023 Bolt compared to the 2022 model. And to those buyers who endured the tortures of 2022 in order to get a Bolt in the driveway at the higher price, Chevrolet has good tidings. Automotive News reports Chevy will refund up to $6,000 to anyone who bought a Bolt this calendar year before the price drop. The goodwill gesture applies to vehicles from the 2020, 2021 and 2022 model years so long as they were bought in the U.S., not leased, this year. Only purchasers can get in on this. The rebate amount depends on a few factors like model year and trim level, can be processed online, and takes about 12 weeks to be fulfilled. An automaker statement to end said, a small number of Bolt EV and EUV customers purchased their vehicles in the 2022 calendar year, when incentives were low due to limited inventory. As a result of the price reduction announced on the 2023 Chevrolet Bolt EV EUV, we want to make sure these customers are satisfied with their purchase and ownership experience. A Bolt forum has posted an example of the letter each buyer can expect. Chevy sold 358 Bolts in the first 3 months of the year before production resumed. The second quarter made a much bigger impression, the brand getting just under 7,000 Bolts off dealer lots, based on figures from Good Car Bad Car. In April, when lines began running again for a slightly curtailed Q2, execs said they thought they could break the EV's annual sales record of 24,828 units. So long as Chevy gets the materials it needs to keep building the car, the target seems possible. For now, the Bolt remains the best option going for an economical EV, starting at $27,590 for 259 miles of range in the standard hatchback and $29,190 for 247 miles of range from the Bolt EUV. The Chevrolet consumer website doesn't reflect the new pricing on the main page, but building a 2022 model in the configurator reveals the lower pricing.